Hi, traders. As many of you know, or at least those of you who follow me closely, I should say, I made a little over $21,000 in trading this morning. And I actually feel extraordinarily blessed. And I am very much aware of the fact that we are in very difficult times for the vast majority of people on planet Earth today. Everyone is suffering through this pandemic, and this pandemic has hit people from all different sides in a variety of different ways. I am blessed, traders are blessed in a way, to sort of be immune to these pandemics. And I am feeling blessed enough to actually want to donate the entire gain that I made today in the markets to a variety of organizations in Colombia that actually benefit children. This has been a philanthropic cause of mine from the early 1990s. I continue to push forward to help economically disadvantaged women, particularly single women with children. And I believe in being your brother's keeper. I believe in those who are blessed, reaching out, lending, reaching out to help those who are not so blessed, especially in times like this. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my entire gain from today, and I'm going to donate it to a variety of organizations that actually have as their purpose economically disadvantaged women, and particularly economically disadvantaged children, but specifically in Colombia this time. Perhaps I will do this with other countries. I've been doing this for my country since the beginning of the 1990s. Now, one of the organizations who's reached out to me recently, I intend to actually include them in my donations. They are a foundation that is based in Bogota, Colombia, that focuses on children who are stricken by cancer. And as we know, there really are no known solutions to cancer. And as we know, cancer is a very vicious enemy to all human beings, but particularly to children.
Esta cuarentena disfruté la tranquilidad de mi familia. Gracias a la ayuda y compañía de la Fundación Jerónimo, soy muy feliz. En esta campaña donemos un mercado para las familias. Gracias a ti que donaste, pensaste en todos nosotros y gracias a los...
So this organization touched my heart in such a way that I intend to actually donate a portion of my gains today, my $21,000, to that organization. Now, I am actually reaching out to all of you, particularly those who are from Colombia and are familiar with this field. If you are aware of any other organizations that are focused on the fields that my heart goes out to, I want you to let me know. Let me know in this post, or you can contact me directly in my DMs. I'm looking for organizations to donate to in this regard. Okay? We are our brother's keeper. I was raised this way, that whenever you're blessed, you give back. I want to give back. I need your help. Okay? And one day I'm hoping those of you who I'm training and developing as traders, that you take this as an example, as a real life example of doing the same thing. We need to pass our blessings along. All right, guys. Until tomorrow, I'll see you in the morning. In the meantime, let me know below. Ciao for now. Boom.